well, it's going to be hard. It's going to be mean. Like, can't wait. I guess if I get beaten today, I'm going home. I guess can't really ask for more.
This is getting down to the crunch now, and it's all serious, so I can't really moan. I didn't really mind, we all came here to fight at the end of the day, so let's tow it.
Massive twist. I have to face one of them sooner or later. The title of Toa Aotearoa. That's a title to be holding back. Yeah.
Caught everyone off guard. We all, went in expecting another big surprise, some pakiaka, some more rocks, a few tōtara trees or something. But I think this has got to be one of the best challenges so far.
Time to prepare. Each of the Toa present unique style and skill to the fights of this tournament.
Not getting the matter that we're whānau in the way. Can't start backing off just because he's your family. Just got to give it your all. Fast, hard, and don't give up, I guess. Fitness, and just striking each other to the end, I guess. Just how Aotearoa has always done it.
But I've come here purposely to sort of put myself to see where I am at the age that I am. It's unfortunate that I didn't have the honours of fighting with Pupati, Anuru, and as mentioned, I've only had one spar since I've got here, but I'm really looking forward to my challenge with Reuben.
Both Joel and Doug are experienced fighters. They too must fight to earn a place at the finals.
Been a bit of a bully back in the past fights, and I'm gonna let him think he's the bully. But I'm the bull around here. Kind of psych him out, see how he likes it for a change.
I'm on the mind games. Yeah, let's just make it through, and whoever comes out the victorious, I'll get the paper. Set the mind free. Just keep it calm all the way through, right up until in the ring. Yeah.
Moia te ka hui o ngā toa.